I'm going to show you how to restore aluminum trim from an Acura MDX. Mine looked like this, or scratch up, or like horrible. Look for this. This is from the use of the car to look kind of chrome finish or aluminum. Usually only of three things. I'm going to be using the 1000 grit paper, mullers, and a little bit of spray bottle with microfiber. Okay. First, we're gonna be taking a little bit of piece of the 1000 grit, right? And then we're gonna just spray slightly. You don't want to get the car wet inside, right? And then you're just gonna go. So not try to go not like this. You try to go up and down, because like you can see the other trims on this vehicle, it's actually up and down. So if you go side to side, you're gonna get scratches on the side, and you don't want that, right? So you want to go up and down until you see the scratches start fading away, right? So of course it's normal, so you can see a little bit of haze, you know, like of course you're just taking all this stuff. So this kind of trims have a protector coating on it, so that you want to make sure to take as much as you can out of it, right? So you can see, like is a coating on it. So all that coating or that spray that they put on top of it, you actually want to remove all that before them. And again, remember, go up and down, not go side to side, because then you're gonna start getting scratches going that way, and you don't want that. You want like a clean chrome kind of finish. So with that, let me just keep doing it and I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick, right? You guys see, you can see the reflection real good though. But same thing. If you guys want to look like this side, right? For this side, you have to remove every single. You see, you guys have to try to remove as much as you can as that coating. If you don't remove that, it's still gonna show, right, over the finish. But the nice thing about it, if you guys just want the brush finish, right? You're just gonna come over here, and you just literally just scratch it back out, right? Up and down. You remember that up and down is the most important thing. And again, this is something that you can keep as a brush finish. You don't have to do the mullers now I do. They still look fine. I just like the shiny part, right? Still look better than all the scratches and all the stuff that he had. But with that, I'm just gonna try to finish this as much as I can and wrap it up. Again, YouTube, this is kind of what you looking for, right? Kind of remove that coating that go on top of this. Now we're gonna be using the polishing to polish this, and you can either use a small machine or do it by hand. I like to do it by hand. Sometimes with a machine, I actually use the machine for the other side a little bit. This one I'm gonna do it by hand. That's just to show you guys, right? So just apply a little bit, right, on the surface. And again, this one, it doesn't really matter. So with the product start turning black, that's when you know that the product is actually start working, right? So again, when I polish this thing into mirror finish or chrome. And that's it. I'm gonna finish it out. Make sure this super good, right? I'm gonna take all these little details by hand over the machine, and that's it. Okay, this is the results. Super shiny. Everything all the way around it. What I'm gonna do now is actually put a sealant on it. I use this one, lip seal from Chemical Guys. That way it lasts like at least a year. This thing all shiny like that. And again, if it doesn't get shiny, again you can do a little bit of mothers, or and it's gonna come back to life again. Alright, hopefully you guys like my video. Give me thumbs up, and I'm gonna put the products in the description below as well, just in case you want to use it. Thank you for watching. Bye.